Have you ever pondered what the easiest ways to make money are? Well, today we're going to delve into the simplest yet effective methods to boost your income. First on our list is selling items online. This could be anything from your old clothes, books, or even furniture. Platforms like eBay, Depop, or Facebook Marketplace facilitate these transactions. If you've got items you no longer need, why not turn them into cash? Next up, consider freelance work. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr are chock full of opportunities. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or programmer, there's a job out there for you. Freelance work not only brings in extra income, it also allows you to work on your own terms. Third, we have stock market investment. Though it might sound intimidating, investing in the stock market can be a lucrative way to grow your wealth. There are numerous online resources to guide you through the process, ensuring you make informed decisions. Our fourth suggestion is starting a blog or YouTube channel. If you have a passion for a particular topic, why not share it with the world? You can make money through advertisements, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. Next, we suggest trying your hand at tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you can make money by teaching others. Websites like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com offer a platform to connect tutors with students. Sixth, we have gig economy jobs. Companies like Uber and TaskRabbit offer flexible work opportunities. You can make money in your spare time, and the best part is, you get to decide when you work. Lastly, consider renting out your space. Websites like Airbnb make it easy to rent out an extra room, or even your entire home when you're not using it. This can be a great source of passive income. To wrap up, we've explored 7 easy ways to make money: selling items online, freelance work, investing in the stock market, starting a blog or YouTube channel, tutoring, gig economy jobs, and renting out your space. Each method offers flexibility and the potential for a steady income stream. The key is to find what works best for you and make the most of it. Remember, every journey starts with a single step.